believer in justice. No matter how big or how small the issue may be, if it gets to my dad, he will try his absolute best to try and make the other party accountable. Because alongside being a firm believer in justice, my dad is a firm believer in accountability as well. If a company has done something wrong, then they should be held accountable for. That's his motto. It's great, isn't it? But the thing is that my dad's life isn't so easy. Although he can draft up his letter of complaints with the appropriate reasons and the appropriate evidence fairly quickly, the thing is that he can never really find the correct email ID he's supposed to send this to easily. Since most companies out there, they don't place their email ID on their help page, my dad has to spend hours going through Google to try and find an email ID that he could send his complaint letter to. And most of the time, these emails are either a hit or a miss. Either you find the correct email or you don't. And if you don't find the correct email, then there's no other possible way to send your letter of complaints. Because there's no way that that 2-page letter is gonna fit in a small little paragraph that you can send by the chat. And there's no possible way that you're gonna be able to hit every single crucial point on the phone with someone. So at that point, where does all of your justice and where does the other party's accountability go? Out the window. It's just gone. So, what do you think? Do you think that there should be some sort of provision that coerces companies into putting their email ID on the help page? That way, consumers that would like to make a complaint, they can easily send their letters of complaint through that email and get everything done so much easier without needing all of the hassle. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments down below.